So we worked on a bunch of projects together. Would you prefer a CTO that is a co-founder or not a co-founder?
That's a good question. I did work with both of those types of CTOs already. And I do think that in the early phases, I would prefer a co-founder. Mostly because they are more emotionally attached to the project, and they have usually have a really good vision of where they want to head.
And that drive. Right?
And that drive to get it done.
To pull through. Yeah, exactly.
Whereas in the later stages, that I feel like it can almost hurt you if you have that emotional attachment, if you get what I'm trying.
Yeah, totally. Like a non-co-founder is able to make tough decisions easier. I mean,
yeah, exactly.
It's like you own it, but it's like it's not your baby. You own it. It's purely work, right?
Whereas, like at that time you need to let go. It's like a parent almost that has a child growing up, and now you empower the team to.
So for that co-founder is much emotionally, it's harder, and the non-co-founder, it's work needs to be done. Decisions need to be made, and so.
So do you feel like this automatically makes them more hands-on as a co-founder, or is that even a separate distinction?
Well, that's interesting. I mean, they're definitely more hands-on in the early stage of the project. They're way more involved. Is it good or is it bad? I suppose there's pros and cons to both. They do know the code base, intimately, and so they can affect change fast or fix problems. Whereas a hands-off co-founder, they can, let the team own that and focus on the strategic vision.
Yeah.
Higher level goals.
That's a tough transition to go through if you're used to being like a hands-on co-founding CTO, and suddenly that team becomes bigger and they need to focus more on the strategic parts and on the growth and less on the actual product and the technical implementations.
Yeah, it's a journey, but I think, so I mean, I guess there's a balance between a strategic vision and technical oversight. And
that makes a lot of sense.